Our next speaker at the Allplan 2025 launch event is David Zabka. As the product manager for prefabrication at Allplan, David has over 15 years of experience in the prefabrication industry. With a degree in architectural engineering technology, his career spans technical support, training, direct sales, and technical consulting. As product manager for prefabrication, David's diverse background drives innovation and ensures high-quality products meet market demands. David, it's a pleasure to have you with us today to speak about how SDS2 2025 continues to bring steel prefabrication technology.
Yeah, thank you, Kelsey. I started my career with SDS2 long before the original company was acquired by Nemetschek Group and later merged with Allplan. There have been many changes in technology and the construction industry since my start in 2006. It's been very fun and interesting being a part of that. I feel fortunate to be in a position today where I get to drive the technology and workflows across our Allplan products for prefabrication. As we look toward the future, it is exciting to think about how we can merge and bring SDS2 and Allplan technologies even closer together than they are today to create an even more powerful solution for all materials.
That's great to hear, David. What makes the features you are showing today relevant to the audience, and why should we be looking forward to SDS2 2025?
Mhm. Well, we've really been focused on the user experience, performance, reduced rework, and what our current users are asking from us in this release. You will see a newly designed home screen that performs much smoother than in the past. Increases in performance and options where steel frames to concrete, forced connection improvements that drastically increases the number of available connections created by SDS2, improvements to our design calculation output, and several small improvements that make a large impact on a daily basis. We are also taking advantage of Allplan Cloud via a direct BIM Plus upload and Allplan Profile Catalog to import more profiles than ever before. And finally, the Structural Analysis Format, or SAF, provides great workflows with structural analysis tools such as SIA by Allplan and numerous others as well. Overall, we want to ensure that we provide new features and workflows to the industry that provide excellent value and make day-to-day tasks more enjoyable and productive. We have done this with SDS2 2025 and will continue doing so moving forward.
That sounds very promising, and I'm eager to see how this looks in the 2025 release, as I'm sure our customers are too. So David, please take over.
All right, thanks, Kelsey. Let's start out with an overview of the SDS2 home screen. You will notice that project settings are now embedded, making interaction really fast. So filtering options and multi-edit capability on auto standard connections makes changing these connections to be designed much easier and more intuitive, especially on mass updates. Okay, our base cap plate schedule now provides images for reference to make things more intuitive, and SDS2 now provides visual feedback when validating fields rather than pop-up windows that tend to interrupt your working. Many areas of project settings have removed restrictions for more flexibility. One example is the number of bolts and length of bolt names, allowing you to add any bolt from any manufacturer. Forms can also be added to make sharing and copying project settings a breeze. Shapes properties is also now embedded, again increasing performance and providing intuitive filters and visual validation. With a separate small application, SDS2 imports profiles from the Allplan Profile Catalog, an open database of profiles hosted on Allplan Cloud. Profiles from across the globe are available to expand the reach of SDS2's steel detailing capabilities around the world. Filtering, searching, and intuitive selection lets you find the profiles necessary for your project needs. You can see the profiles are brought into SDS2 with all their attributes ready to begin modeling. Modeling enhancements include huge improvements to the number of connections that can be automatically created by SDS2. Previously, material types, loading conditions, and material orientations that were outside the scope of SDS2 connection design could not be forced. That is possible today. By focusing on these areas, SDS2 will now create connections for angle, channel, WT, and any material it previously would not for beams and columns. Your time savings from this development are tremendous. As a detailer, we understand projects many times require you to simply match the engineer-driven design, and this gives you exactly that capability. Also related to connections is steel framing to concrete situations where the performance has been drastically increased, in some cases by up to 75 times faster. SDS2 also provides more flexibility to ship connection materials in the shop or ship those loose. Workflows between engineer and detailer or fabricator get an upgrade by implementing the Structural Analysis Format, or SAF. This open Excel-based file format is supported by Allplan products, SIA and Freelo, along with more Nemetschek Group products, RISA and ArchiCAD, as well as many others outside of our close Nemetschek Group. In this demonstration, we see an SDS2 model seamlessly transferred to SIA for analysis and design of the structure. And don't forget about the small improvements throughout SDS2, including P-loops for grab bars, options to never add weld cranks, and a simplified solution stack and installation process, making onboarding new and old users alike simple. All right, Kelsey, back to you again.
A big thank you, David. It's great to see the new features and functionality that SDS2 2025 will provide. Before you go, I have a few more questions. David, what do you like most about the latest version of SDS2?
Yeah, it's difficult to single out one thing that I like most. We've developed new features and enhanced several existing features based on feedback from our users. Their satisfaction is what I will enjoy the most.
That's great to hear. How can the functionality you showed today have a positive impact on the work of detailers?
Mhm. Ultimately, a detailer's job comes down to productivity. Increased performance, reduced rework, less time spent creating connections, and enhanced workflows with engineers all increase that productivity.
It's amazing to see the clear and long-term vision we have for SDS2 by Allplan, especially for 2025. Thank you again, David, for presenting today. We're looking forward to hearing from you again soon.
Thank you, Kelsey, for these excellent sessions.